Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn on how to use a mouse. What is a mouse? A mouse is a handheld hardware input device used to control a cursor in a computer screen. Let's move on now to look at the functions of a mouse. First, the mouse is used to move the cursor. Then it's used to open a program, a file, or a folder. Then you can use a mouse to select items, to drag or drop, and to scroll. Parts of the mouse: there is a left button, there is a right button, and there is a scroll wheel. So there are three parts of the mouse. Let's check what is a mousepad. It's a flat surface designed specifically for placing and moving a computer mouse. Now let's check on how to move a cursor. First, you have to move the mouse on the desk. Then the cursor moves on the screen. So when you are moving your mouse on the desk, the cursor will be moving on the screen, and then you will use to point and select the items. Let's see what is left click. So left click is used to select items or open program. So when you want to open a program in your computer or you want to select items, you have to place the left button once on your mouse. Just place the left button once. Then when you place, you will open that program or you will be able to select the item you want. Let's see what is right click. So when you want to show more options in a computer, you have to right click. So you put the cursor on the item you want, then you press the right button of your mouse once. Then there you will be able to see options, more options of the items you want to open. What is double click? Double click is used to open files and folders. So in your computer, if you want to open a certain file or folder, you have to press the left button of your mouse twice, very quickly. Now let's check what is dragging. It's the action of moving the mouse while keeping the left mouse button pressed. Sometimes we call it drag and drop. So when you want to move an item on the screen from one position to another, you have to use that function, dragging. So what you do, first you have your mouse at position 1, you just place it on your left. After that you hold, then you move to the position you want. Then when you reach the position, you release, and there you will be dropping. So it's called drag and drop. Now let's see the scroll wheel. We have seen it in parts of the mouse. So the scroll wheel used for scrolling through documents and web pages. So you have to roll the wheel up and down. When you want to scroll your documents up, you have to scroll the wheel up. When you want to scroll your document down, you have to scroll that wheel down. Types of mouse. There is a wired mouse. This is a mouse connected to a computer through a USB cable. You have to connect the USB cable to your computer for the mouse to operate. And there is a wireless mouse. This is a mouse connected to a computer without a wire, and it can be used even in a long distance. If you have learned something from today's lesson, please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next lesson.